Today we're going to be fixing this direct box. We can see here that the 1/4-inch jack's been pushed through the face of the direct box. We'll simply drill those out by using a bit that's a little bit larger than the hole at the end of the rivet. Once we have it apart, we can get a better look at what's going on inside. It appears that one of the insulating washers on the jack is broken, so this should be a simple fix. I picked these up at a local hardware store, but the insulated washers are pretty easy to find online. I'm also adding an O-ring around the shaft of the jack to put before the washer, since it's brittle and can possibly break again. Now we can attach the exterior washers and nut back to the jack. Originally they had a black plastic washer. I'm going to be replacing it with another fiber washer that I had. Once we have the jack tightened up, we'll be ready to put our lid back on. We're replacing the rivets with self-tapping screws. These also should be available at your local hardware store, Home Depot, or Lowe's. The size of the screw will depend on the size of the rivet. Just try to match them best you can. Just make sure you're careful when you're screwing them in. Make sure they go in tight and snug. Now that we got everything cinched down, we should be good to go.